Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a walking tour of the new Progressive Plaza. Sorry, the Sovereign Mandeville Plaza. Progressive Foods, the supermarket, has a store here. Now this is inside the mall, and as you can see it has an escalator. The supermarket is on the outside. Now, I'm surprised that so many stores are still empty. I don't know what's going on with that. If anybody knows what the rentals are like or how much it costs to rent a store here or what's going on with the rentals, you can leave a comment in the section below. I don't know if it's a case where people are just waiting to build them out or they're not rented, but some are rented, but most seem to be empty. Now this plaza is the first sovereign plaza that's built outside of Kingston or St. Catherine. They have a very popular plaza in Portmore. They have the original Sovereign in Ligonier. They have Sovereign North in Ligonier. They have Sovereign on the Boulevard. And then they have this one. I'm trying to remember if I forgot any. No, that's it. Yeah, so this is the inside. We're going to go and show you the outside now. And now this plaza has the three things you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. You have food stores. They have Domino's and Wendy's outside. You need a brand name supermarket, and they have Progressive Foods here. And then you need to build a plaza in a populated area. And Mandeville is the largest town in central Jamaica. So it's built at the right location. It has the food stores and it has the supermarket. I'm not sure when this plaza opened, so maybe we just need to give it some more time for the stores to be fully built out. Now that's the Progressive Foods over there. That is the supermarket. Now if you guys remember, a Shoppers Fair supermarket used to be here. And a cinema. Wait, was a cinema here? No, a Shoppers Fair supermarket was here. And they demolished the old building and put up this new structure, which I think is the way to go sometimes. Too many times people try to repair what's there, but sometimes you just need to demolish it and build something new. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.